Jeet sir, many taxpayers receive lump sum payments like arrears of salary or gratuity. I understand the old Form 10E has also been replaced with Form 39?
Yes, Rajita. This form is used when taxpayers receive lump sum payments such as arrears of gratuity for past service, retrenchment compensation, commuted pension, or additional family pension and wish to claim relief under Section 157(1).
Sir, what makes the new form better?
Form 39 is a smart, technology-enabled form. It includes auto-populated fields, standardized formats, and easy drop-down options. Once basic details are entered, much of the information gets pre-filled automatically.
That must simplify the computation process, sir.
Exactly. Each receipt category now has uniform computation tables with clear formulas and fewer inputs. Built-in system validations help detect errors early, ensuring accurate tax calculations.
So the filing process becomes faster too?
Absolutely. With real-time validations, API integration, and checkbox-based verification, filing becomes quicker and more accurate.
So if you receive lump sum payments like arrears of gratuity or retrenchment compensation, remember to use form number 39. Simple, smart, and reliable. See you in the next episode of Tax Insight.